today for the Bitcoin price. And you're probably asking yourself, what the heck, Chris, where are you there? And more importantly, that's probably what everyone is asking. What the heck is happening to Bitcoin right now? You can see here our falling wedge, which obviously we were hoping and waiting for it to break towards the direction which had a 2/3 likelihood. No. This is Bitcoin. It went down. And now the question is this the beginning of the end? I am going to talk about that. I am going to talk about my price targets and my predictions. And yes, I know. I told you it is more likely, or I'm personally slightly bullishly biased for this pattern breakout. Now that we broke down and it is going in an opposite direction, not as I expected. Of course, as a professional trader, we have to step back, look at the situation completely objectively, and not to be too proud to say, hey, I expected this differently. Let's look at the facts. Let's look at what facts were changing and incorporate that into our analysis here for Bitcoin. So now let's talk about that. I am here, by the way, on a catamaran, and of course, while everyone is having fun, I'm sitting here making TA, pushing content, making these videos for you. If you like that, if you want more of that, of course, all I'm asking you for is like this video, share this video, comment down below your price targets. That would be interesting. Of course, I will be engaging with some of your comments down below, and the more you are actually interacting with that video, the more you are showing me that you need these videos, these updates, no matter where I am, no matter when I am. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin price, and as you can see, we were breaking down here. In fact, I was posting over on Twitter. Let me go over here. Bitcoin broke. That was a few hours ago at 36,000 when we broke below, basically when I woke up, right? It was not a nice price to wake up to. Well, it happened. Now it is what it is. Let's go over to the weekly candles, because this is what I mentioned throughout the last 2 days, which was the most concerning for me, this weekly candles. Because if I am pulling out the EMA ribbon, then you can basically see that 3 weeks in a row now we are below the EMA ribbon on the weekly. The last time this happened was not 2020. No, it was 2021. In fact, it were 2020, not 21. It was 2020. In fact, March 2020. That was when we were going down from 8,000 all the way to 3,000 US dollars in like one weekly candle. The question is this going to happen here once again for Bitcoin? Probably not that much, but in terms of thousands of US dollars, maybe yes. Because the price target of Bitcoin for this breakdown, I was telling you, I remain neutral until we are breaking towards the upside. This is when I flip bullish. And I remain neutral until we are breaking towards the downside. This is when I flip bearish. Now that we broke towards the downside, I am not too proud to say I am flipping bearish on that one. And as you can see, we already dumped down significantly. And now the question is, what is the price target of this breakdown? Well, let me pull out my, and this you can quote me on, my worst case scenario for Bitcoin. And I will tell you exactly why this is my worst case scenario for Bitcoin. My absolute worst case scenario for Bitcoin is the following price target, and that is one which probably we're not gonna reach it today, right? But potentially soon. My worst case scenario for Bitcoin is 30 to 31,000 US dollars. Why? Well, number one, obviously, because of this measured move price target. Number two, obviously, because of this volume support we are getting among these areas, especially because of the traffic we generated throughout summer 2020. These are the reasons actually why I am personally looking out for these price targets. We are not getting so much confluence on the Fibonacci's, because there we just broke the last line of support, the 78.6. So of course the next one is the previous low, which is the one we could be looking out for, 31,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. Another reason for that is obviously, and I want to quickly elaborate on that, let me quickly go back here, that this is also the average buying price from no one else than Michael Saylor, who bought billions of US dollars, yes, billions with a B, US dollars worth of Bitcoin. His average buying price is hovering around right now, around the 31,000 US dollar areas. Do you think that someone like Michael Saylor, who can basically lend unlimited amounts of money to buy Bitcoin OTC and dry up the OTC market, is gonna go negative on his billion-dollar purchases? If you ask me, I don't think so. You can let me know what you think about that. And if we are hitting here 15,000 likes on that video, I am going to be publishing an exclusive video I recorded with Michael Saylor today or tomorrow. Like this video as you have never liked this video before. And now I think I have to publish this video as soon as possible because we are going volatile AF. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, by the way, remember, if you want to long or short Bitcoin, be very careful at these times. Be an experienced trader. If you are, $4,100 with my Bybit link. Click register deposit and get free VPAD. Get $4,100 in trading bonus as well. But only, and this is important, only click this link if you are an experienced trader. If not, you can't do anything with the bonus if you're not experienced. Just don't click it, okay? Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.